tell you honestly, I'm very afraid of making decisions.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Your boy got a fresh new cut and we got a new lead. So let's get on it. Are you Filipino po?
Opo.
Gusto niyo po ibenta yung bahay niyo po?
Oo, kasi ganito po yun, Marlu. Naghiwalay po kami ng asawa ko last year. And the house is okay. It needs a few repairings inside. To tell you honestly, I'm very afraid of making decisions. Hindi ko alam ngayon kung saan ako mag-uumpisa. If I sell the house, where do we go? I don't know what options you have for me.
There are few options. One, yun nga, benta niyo sa amin yung bahay and then you find a new home. Number two is we could buy the house and maybe you guys can rent out the house from us. Ito pong bahay na to, ilang taon po sa inyo to?
Nag-move in kami August 2015. Consolidation ang ginawa namin to pay off some debt.
Magkano po kasama yung mortgage nyo and yung utang yung pinang-consolidate?
I still owe them almost $30,000.